this game, but I really loved it. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are here again at Costco. So we will be doing our grocery haul today and see what's exciting. I think this is a great deal. It's a sand plus fog diffuser. It's 750 ml. It's for $32.99. What it says Palo Santo red diffuser. Just like this. It's a good one. Let's see. So we do have some exciting stuff here. Ceramic LED lanterns 2-pack for $46.99. I think it should be 2 colors, green and blue. It's very light and looks very pretty. Good for patio, I think. See? We usually take our shampoos from Costco. It's really a very good deal. Usually it's like $20 to get shampoo plus conditioner. We both use it and it's good for like 2 or 3 months, see, which Indians love it. At Costco, we usually get Verka or Shakti. Where we live, we usually get Shakti Desi Ghee. This is for like $24.99. It's 1.6 kgs. I usually like to make some vegetables either in mustard oil or desi ghee or in canola oil. So good. Usually take just dahi yogurts, elegant one. This is, I think it's for $579. It usually takes like our Indian taste, but it's fine. Usually we take Madhani as well if we are in Costco or Costco.
This is one of the best milks we can get is for the 3.8%. It is one of the best milks at Costco. I usually purchase this one because it's organic and it has like a good taste. It's a full cream, and this cream as well, it's very cheaper at Costco than the other places.
Taking the bottles from Kirkland, it's very cheap. It comes in a pack of 24 and it's, I think it's for $4.29 only. This is the savior for our house. I cannot live without this. It's $21.49. I think it's a pack of 20. Cheaper than the Kirkland one.
So we always take the chicken from Costco. We usually take the thighs because it tastes better and it is good for like around 1 or 2 weeks.
Trust me, these days we are trying to eat healthy. So we usually going to take the spring mix. It's a mix of like green leaves, oak leaf and whatnot, I would say. It's $4.99 and 312 grams. So it's really very good. Eat healthy. Plus a chance to go at Costco for clothing section. You can see they have pretty good colors in these pajama sets. It's red, gold, purple and another kind of blue. So it's really great. You can see that. I'm going to take, I really like this color. Great towels if you are ready for summers. I am not. You can check that. It's pretty great colors and it is for $16.99. Many of you have played this game, but I really loved it. Costco lines, there is nobody. I really love that. See how much the bill comes for these much of grocery plus tissue box and some water bottles. Almost done. I'm not going to face the camera. It came up at $168. Let me know in the comment section if you think it's really worth it. We'll be coming soon to Tire Center as well because you know summers are coming. So it's time to change the tires. I'd like to tell you, this is not the all grocery we've done. We have some leftover stuffs at home as well. So this is not, of course, sufficient for a week, I would say. Make sure your carts are always stacked properly because it's very difficult for them to stack it and bring all the carts inside. Costco, but you can see it's very expensive. For Costco, we usually come for those items which usually is like for wholesale. You can see we took ghee, some shampoo and like water, chicken. These things at Costco are very cheap. So that's the only reason we have this Costco membership. Reason for Costco is that the gas here is very cheap. Outside at Petro Canada, it's for $125 right now. For today, it's for $114.